this is what we doing.
I posted up on grandpa poaching in the wild. Like fuck that mom, miss my show to see you smile. Says got me married, I can't see. No, I won't stop any women, no more leading them on. I don't understand killing them all. No, my is not holding on. I think all these girls to calm down. That's the sound.
Anyway, let me get professional real quick. What's up, gang? What's up, gang? What's goody? As you can see, I'm doing some knotless braids.
Yay!
I'm basically, honestly, I'm so tired. Started at 7 p.m. Sorry, 7 p.m. and now it's 4 in the morning. It's because I had to do other stuff too. It's not like I just mainly did my hair. Like, it's okay. How y'all doing? I'm gonna try to keep the energy good. So let me get straight to it. Oh, and by the way, this is my breakage style. I mean, you probably can already see that clearly. I look like a rooster. That's why I gotta, like, I feel obligated. It's mandatory to hide my hair because, like, where am I going with this? Where am I going with this? I don't add heat to my hair. I can't even, like, two-strand twist it. It's, no, so. And this is not even because I bleached it, like, this is because of extra protein. It just broke my hair off after I bleached it, but I mean, not right after, like, oh, okay. Anyway.
Oh yeah, that's what I forgot to talk about. See, the green is out. I just got, I did a bleach bath over the green. And so it can just be all kind of neutral.
And I thought about dyeing my hair, like, pink for July, but I'm like, I should not just do anything to my hair. I might as well just keep it in one color and let the roots just grow out.
Somebody film, in my DM. I had to leave on scene. And she not a regular bitch, but that don't mean nothing to me. I'm on a plane, I'm with the gang. We in Atlanta slide.
Honestly, I'm so.
Tell her to meet me at high. Foreign cars, big black trucks, and there's some hitters beside it, and there's some hitters in front. Gags market from capping.
That's what a nigga is magic.
Bringing on racks in. I'm about action. Ain't no chillin', relaxing. I've been restless. I've been investments, but I'm still killing this rap.
But you know what? It's okay because at least I don't have to pay somebody else. It's free. I'm tired of this shit. Okay, so we finally back in business. I got that stupid piece untangled. I was like, if you're gonna wet it, just at least spritz it a couple times, but it shouldn't be like wet.
What?
Or damp even. Just like a little, just a little. Because these other products have water in it, so you don't need to add any. Well, the products I'm using, I just put some shea butter on it, and then I just bought this new thing mixed with just a little bit of Blue Magic. And then for the roots, you see how my roots is like all flat and sleek? You gotta put this on it. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Yeah. It don't help either that I'm a slow braider. And I try to braid fast, but it just don't be working. Shout out to them Africans and people who can braid fast. Y'all got it. Y'all's a beast. Y'all's a beast. Okay? And I don't, what's it called? The first time I did knotless braids, I like sectioned out all the braiding hair like piece by piece. But that was my mistake because some pieces ended up bigger and smaller and stuff like that, so I just take out what I need. That works for me. That's faster anyway. Shoot, I'm just trying to be delicate because my hair is very fragile and I was already rough with it, so but I probably should have just left my hair alone. But then again, I like change. I like to keep switching stuff up, so I don't know. Do I regret bleaching in my hair and doing all this? No, I don't regret it.
It's just something I'm dealing with now. I'm gonna overcome it. I'm making it sound like it's something serious. I'm gonna overcome it. It's been tough for me. Bernardo.
Who's Bernardo?
Okay, so you just braided a couple times. And you gotta grip hard. Like, if you get your hair done and they grip them roots tight like your mama did growing up, you gotta grip it like that.
So a little, just enough. Because you're going to work your way up the braid anyway, so. So the weave piece, I just, boom, nothing here, it goes in the middle. Okay, see like there? Don't add no hair there. When it comes to this, add hair. We gonna do hair with like donuts on the choppers. Something, 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 something.
My shut off what? My phone had too much storage, so I had to cut that chick off. Cut that chick off. Cut that chick off. Anyway, see how much there? This is, you know, small, medium. It's medium. It's medium section. Yeah, that's enough to grab. Perfect description. It's medium. But honestly, it's gonna take practice. Me, I just got it because I be doing hair and stuff. So. And you gotta go by thickness. You gotta feel like, okay, you gotta look at the braid in the beginning. Is it gonna come out to be too skinny or too thick? And for this part, I'm gonna add just a little bit small piece. So that just little scraggly pieces hanging.
I'm gonna add that. Just a little piece, not too much. And then we just gonna keep braiding till when it gets skinny. Which should probably be like somewhere right here. Now we're getting skinny a little bit.
Amazon, anytime is a good time to save.
I'm gonna take it back. I seen in the comments, they was like, well, you should have kept your pee-pee in your pants. 21 years? That's a long time. 21 years is a long time just for it to end like that. Yeah, but she had enough self-respect. She was like, I'm not staying. I don't know what I would do in that situation, because if he came out with this song, to win her back. That's like, honestly, I'll be jamming to it. I'll be like, I don't know, this is a good song. Oh. Okay, and then, is that the last piece we're gonna borrow? No, just I need one more last piece to borrow, and then that is it for the braid. So I don't know how many. I think I borrowed like 6 pieces. It's long.
That's what she said.
I need some gold pieces though. I want some gold pieces so it can look better. Like the first time I bleached it, boom, that was cool. I feel like I should have just stayed with it then. But, you know, myself, no, I want more. I want more.
Y'all about to see how I grip this. See this little piece? Watch how I grip it.
I want a sandwich. I want a chopped cheese from New York. That's what I really want. That'd be good right now. I put a picture on my mirror. What's up, I'm Bruno Mars. Hey, what's going on? It's Sash Pat. And we are Silk. Now we're about to add the pink. Friday. Little by little. Music every Friday on YouTube's release playlist. Little by little. So it just looks right. Like even, not just like, oh, okay, pink. I want it to like gradually make you feel delivered. Hallelujah!
it's too thick.
She is, man. I'm gonna keep reading now. Keep reading.
Being in love, I love when you're around, but I fucking hate when you leave. I'm not afraid to let go. Oops, sorry.
Next time I know when I take down a protective style, comb my hair out. Just don't take it down and wash it. I mean, well that makes sense now that you like actually think about it, because you're just locking the excess old hair, you know, dead hair. That's the term, dead hair. Wow, Karina, wow. And less than shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Tell them motherfucking police pick me up. I got them youngins gone crazy trying to bitch some man. Nigga ain't no talking when they talk come. I need a pound, go on there, I be leaning to the mom. Face a phone, get some silver, creep up on them. I got all this money, yeah. Don't go ahead, baby, like they just for
So I'm gonna come back when I'm finished with everything.
Listen, man, what's up? I heard you done got you a dime piece, man. One of them Beyonce making good types, man. Nah. Is that true, man? I just want to know. Probably not. I mean, shit. To be honest with you, man, he's a
bad things. Fine as hell. Thick as fuck. Oh my god. That's my baby. Caroline, you divine.
Oh, I just woke up though. It's the next day. I just put some little earrings on just to make this cute little wedding outfit. Let me go close to the. I'm not trying to get too close. I'm really like able to see what I look like. Mysterious. Anyway, so my purse.
About your horoscope. What the future. Shut up and let's get going.
But yeah, I'm very proud of myself. I like what I did. And if you did too, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I don't know how I'm finna end it, but I'm finna end it. Till next time. Peace.